Rocket Pat here. Hi guys, it's another rocket day in the jungle. And we are just loaded the bear with work trucks in the shop today. I even had to put some other stuff out to pasture. So anyway, what we got going on is I need to get these out of my way. Got a new little woofer came in to replace that one right there that blew the cone out because I was hot rocking it. Sad to say, though, that the lights are not working out for me. What the problem is that the LED strips I got are RGBs, but it's a R, a G, and a B, and it looks like Christmas lights and a marquee, and I'm not digging it. And yeah, then that's just, it didn't work out. So I got another avenue, but I won't have time to jerk with it right now, so we got to go do something else. Does look good with the trim. These are light tracks, 45 degrees. I've got it all cut out and trimmed and everything looks good. But today's project is we are gonna find out what's inside of a 43.5-pound speaker, house speaker. So I'm gonna set y'all right about, how's that right there? That looks pretty good. Y'all can see. And I'm going to go over there, and I'm going to take the guts out of this thing so we can start getting ready to transfer it because I got to get that done today. And besides that, I'm kind of tired of not having some jam around here. I'm on backup jam, and backup jam ain't the same as primary jam. All right, so let's get this rockin' show going. All right, let's take the tweeter out. First thing I noticed when I took the cabinet down was that the tweeter screws are about, sticking out there. So I'm sure that was contributing to my rattling noise I was hearing in this speaker. And all the parts that I have in here, this came from Parts Express. They are Dayton speakers, designer series. No, I'm not an audiophile. I just like it loud, like it loud, like it loud. All right, come on, baby, get out of there. Copper wire on the positive. So, there's my tweet. Tweety bird. There's my little tweeter. Here, I'll give y'all close-ups. Where we at? There's my tweets. It's got a big-ass magnet on it for a tweeter. It probably weighs pretty good. I guess I should have gone over there and got my scale. But yeah, there's a tweeter. Got the tweet out there. All right, tweeter, go over there. All right, let's take this mid-range out. I did take some time to clean this up a little bit. Now y'all stick around. I'll show you my woofer. We're getting there. The magnet on this mid-range is bigger than the magnet that was on the woofer when I bought these speakers. So that's what we got working right there. I don't know if we can see it. Let's see if it'll focus. There you go. So what we're working with as far as a mid-range. All right, mid-range, Tweety. All right, let's start taking out the biggie. About to pull out the big gun. And then we got to get the electronics out of it because it's loaded with. There's a crossover inside as well. I got a lot of money in these speakers. I think they were like $199 a woofer. Memory serves me right. I can't remember 100%. All right, let me get my arm in here. Holy shit, that's bad. That's that. Oh, dude, yo, man. I mean, I got. Let's just put it this way: if I was Yeah, it's a good heavy D cup, baby. Ah, come on, baby, get out of there. I need a crane. Ah, come on, boy. Ah, there we go. Woo! There you go, boys. That's what we're talking about. Motherfucker probably weighs 20 pounds. Woo, doggy. Yeah, that's a good D cup, I'm saying. There we go. Let's see what we got going on here. There we go. There you go. You can get a good look at that. So, yeah. There's my woofer. There's my big bad boy woofer. It's Woffer. We'll call this Woofy. You know, I'm going to screw around and poke a hole in the cone. All right, there's that. All right, Woofy, come over here. And then, of course, we've got crossover inside too. All right, guys. Well, we've had a little bit of fun screwing around with big fat Woffer. That's D-cup Woffer. Yeah, baby. Kind of girl I like. Anyway, let me get the rest of these electronics out of here and get everybody transferred over to their new home. And yeah, I think those came out looking pretty nice. All right, guys. Well, y'all have a great Sunday. Y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. And I'm going to get back to rocking pretty damn soon.